everyone, this is Julie. We're at a house here in Sulphur Springs. We are going to be putting on shutters. Let me turn you around here. We're going to be putting shutters on this window right here. Randy made these shutters and stained them. They're the ones with the little curve on them. Randy loves his work. Right, baby?
All right.
Huh?
Right. Dude.
So this is what Randy has done. We got those to do, and we got these Z ones to put up today. So that's our work today. So let's get going. Okay, we got them set. Now we're just going to install. Just gotta wait for Randy to get here. Okay, so this is a curved window. Randy, explain to everybody what you did here. How do you get it to match up?
You just go to where the curve starts, and then you angle it up.
So you'll measure from that on your short end all the way down, and that curve is about,
to the sill.
Yeah, and that curve is about a what?
About a 3-inch curve.
A 3-inch curve.
Huh.
Okay, let's put this thing on. Ready?
No. You need to.
Right there.
Is that it?
Yeah, and what are you using? What kind of drill and bits?
Hammer drill and concrete bits. That's gonna go right in the mortar.
Most of the time the screws will just go in, but if it's not holding, we use these little anchors to put in. Then the trick is finding the hole. That it?
I think so.
Okay, that holds, and then we're just going to drill another one right there. Here you go, babe. That one was right in the mortar.
Yep. Figured it was, because it went in too easy.
The other one broke.
See.
Huh?
I can't see.
Yay. Okay, so got that on. Had a little trouble this brick holding because where we had to put it, one of them had to go into the grout line, and so it wouldn't hold. So we had to put those little plastic anchors, which that's not a big thing because that's a normal thing that happens. Sometimes you can put shutters on and it will hold just fine, and then other times it doesn't. So you got to have those little anchors to hold everything. But yeah, this is, y'all saw the before and the after. Good job, Randy. As Presley would say, good job, Pops. So there you have it. There it is. Now we're off to our next one. Well, is today Monday or Tuesday? Look at this. We left that job and now we have this to deal with. A flat. Randy, are you happy about it?
Negative.
He's not happy. Well, that's what happens when you drive back and forth all the time. It's pits. This nice man came by and helped Randy because there's no way we could got those things off without a big pipe that he had. So thank goodness for nice people. Okay, everyone, we finally made it to our last stop after the flat and everything. Got that fixed, but we couldn't get the tire fixed because it has a big slit in it, so that's not going to work. So I'm going to do this one. This customer chose the Z's, and they wanted the dark walnut, and they want the black buttons. So we're going to put those on. This gives the shutters just a different little look, like a little rustic look. I really like the buttons. They're really called clavos, but I like putting the buttons on. And also, you can also put hinges on that really dresses them up. And some people will put like the stars in the middle that don't have the Z's. Right, Randy?
Gives them sex appeal.
I don't know if you can see that because that sun is bright. But that's what it looks like. I think you can get them in 1 inch, 1.5 inch, or 2 inches. I think I like the 2 inch better.
Am I getting them straight?
They look straight to me. Okay, so this one's ready to put up, and we put the Z's like Randy has it faced right now. That will go towards the window. So, get here. And that will go right there. Well, not right there, but on that side. And then the other one will go facing it. And it will make this little home pop, give it some curb appeal. All these houses here doesn't have any shutters except this one. So he's going to start a little trend here. Okay, let's get this one on. Okay, it is finished. The customer, if you notice in the video, it was a little bit lighter, but the customer wanted a little bit darker. So after we put them up, we stained them just a little bit darker. So yeah, this is the final results. I think he's going to enjoy it. It goes good with his brick and everything. So yeah, it is done. Thanks everyone for watching. Hopefully tomorrow's going to be a better day for us. Thanks everyone. Bye.